Welcome to second part of History Unit 10, The Political Developments of 20th Century. In this video, we shall see important multiple choice questions from this lesson. Question number 31. The Russian president who built USSR as a formidable opponent to USA was Joseph Stalin, Nicholas II, Gorbachev, Lenin. Correct answer is option A, Joseph Stalin. The 5-year plans in Russia was implemented by Joseph Stalin, Nicholas II, Gorbachev, Lenin. Correct answer is option A, Joseph Stalin. The first satellite in the history of human civilization was launched by USA, USSR, UK, China. Correct answer is option B, USSR. The first astronaut of the world was Sunita Williams, Yuri Gagarin, Kalpana Chawla, Neil Armstrong. Correct answer is option B, Yuri Gagarin. The reformations like glasnost and perestroika in Russia were introduced by Joseph Stalin, Nicholas II, Gorbachev, Lenin. Correct answer is option C, Gorbachev. The USSR disintegrated and the communism collapsed because of glasnost and perestroika, 5-year plan, cultural revolution, October Revolution. Correct answer is option A, glasnost and perestroika. Hitler became the dictator of Germany after the death of Mussolini, Hindenburg, Lenin, Gorbachev. Correct answer is option B, Hindenburg. Hitler appointed a minister named Nazi, Goebbels, fascist, brown shirt. Correct answer is option B, Goebbels. Hitler formed a cruel army named black shirts, red shirts, brown shirts, blue shirts. Correct answer is option C, brown shirts. Holocaust means the private army, the mass killing, the cruel army, the rule of dictator. Correct answer is option B, the mass killing. The dictator of Italy was Mussolini, Nicholas II, Gorbachev, Lenin. Correct answer is option A, Mussolini. The immediate cause for the Second World War was the Germans' occupation of Poland, the assassination of Archduke Francis Ferdinand, the October Revolution in Russia, the attack on Pearl Harbor by Japan. Correct answer is option A, the Germans' occupation of Poland. The nations of Axis group were England, France and Germany, England, France and Russia, England, Germany and Russia, Italy, Germany and Japan. Correct answer is option D, Italy, Germany and Japan. The nations of Allies group were England, France and Germany, England, France and Russia, England, Germany and Russia, Italy, Germany and Japan. Correct answer is option B, England, France, and Russia. The first atomic bomb of the world on Hiroshima and Nagasaki was dropped by USA, USSR, UK, China. Correct answer is option A, USA. The organization that came into existence after the Second World War was League of Nations, United Nations Organization, International Organization, World of Different Nations. Correct answer is option B, United Nations Organization. The permanent members of the UN Security Council are England, China, USA, USSR and Germany, Italy, China, USA, USSR and France, England, Italy, USA, USSR and France, England, China, USA, USSR and France. Correct answer is option D, England, China, USA, USSR and France. A long march in China was started by Mao Zedong, Chiang Kai-shek, Sun Yat-sen, Joseph Stalin. Correct answer is option A, Mao Zedong. One of its kind military march in the human history was 5-year plan, long march, first satellite, scientific communalism. Correct answer is option B, long march. Leap Forward program in China was started by Mao Zedong, Chiang Kai-shek, Sun Yat-sen, Joseph Stalin. Correct answer is option A, Mao Zedong. The Cold War was broke out between USA and UK, USA and USSR, UK and USSR, USA and Japan. Correct answer is option B, USA and USSR. The military organizations formed under the leadership of USSR was Warsaw Organization, North Atlantic Treaty Organization, Southeast Asian Treaty Organization, Central East North Treaty Organization. Correct answer is option A, Warsaw Organization. USA to enter the Second World War in favor of Allied forces because Germany attacked Pearl Harbor, Japan attacked Pearl Harbor, Italy attacked Pearl Harbor, USSR attacked Pearl Harbor. USA entered the Second World War in favor of Allied forces because Japan attacked Pearl Harbor. Women to work in public sphere in USA was encouraged by Woodrow Wilson, Churchill, Roosevelt, Stalin. Correct answer is option C, Roosevelt. The communist government in Russia was founded by Stalin, Nicholas II, Gorbachev, Lenin. Correct answer is option D, Lenin. The First World War ended in 1918, 1919, 1940, 1945. Correct answer is option A, 1918. The Second World War started in 1945, 1939, 1940, 1918. Correct answer is option B, 1939. The fascist dictator was Mussolini, Nicholas II, Gorbachev, Lenin. Correct answer is option A, Mussolini. The naval base of USA which attacked by Japan was Hiroshima, Pearl Harbor, Nagasaki, Poland. Correct answer is Pearl Harbor. NATO, C2 and CENTO were formed under the leadership of USA, USSR, UK, China. Correct answer is option A, USA.